Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to knit this beautiful and easy pattern. This pattern can be used in your baby sweater, ladies sweater, gents sweater, and this is very easy pattern. This is 8 rows repeat pattern. See, this is the look of this pattern. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. So this is only 8 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast on multiples of 6 plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 6 plus 3 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 17 stitches on my needle, which is 6 plus 6 12 plus 3 extra stitch 15 and 2 edge stitch 17. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17. Yes. So row 1 right side, knit all stitches. Row 2 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 3 right side, your edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, and then S2 KP means for these 3 stitches slip 2 together, knit twice and knit 1. Now pass these 2 slip stitches over this 1 stitch, these 2 over this 1 stitch. That's the repeat, and that's the S2 KP, right? So for repeat pattern we have done knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and then S2 KP, and you will repeat this repeat pattern. We have one more repeat. Again knit 3, 1, 2, 3, SK2P, slip 2 together, knit 1, and then pass these 2 slip stitches over this 1 stitch. We have done 2 repeats, and your last 4 stitch, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, your edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side, your edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and then yarn over, we're going to make 3 stitch here, so purl 1, wrap the yarn around like so, and purl 1 more time, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then that's the repeat. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, make 3 in 1. Again purl 3, 1, 2, 3, make 3 in 1, 1, 2, and 3, and last 4 stitch, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, edge stitch, purl. Row 5 right side, knit all stitches. Row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7. Now for row 7 we're going to need this pattern here and this pattern here. Edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here. So we're going to do SK2P here, sorry, S2KP here, slip 2 together, knit twice, knit 1, and then pass this 2 over this 1 stitch, and then knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat. S2KP, purl, S2KP and knit 3. Again, S2KP, and knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and last 4 stitch, S2KP, knit 1. Row 8, last row, edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat. Purl, sorry, make 3 in 1 here, 1, wrap the yarn around, 2 and 3, and then purl 3, 1, 2 and 3. That's the repeat. Make 3 in 1 and purl 3. Again, make 3 in 1, 1, 2, 3, and then purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and here we have done 2 repeats. Last 4 2 stitch, make 3 in 1, 1, 2, 3, and edge stitch, purl. That's the repeat. Now repeat this 8 rows, row 1 to row 8 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after a few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.